Okay, so good morning, everyone. So the first thing is, as you are all registered, so you will be called or name as 82nd batch. So this is one of the G drive. So you'll be getting the access to this, or you might have already got access to this G drive. So under this, you have something called as Basha Trainer, one of the folder. Click on this, and you will find there something called as 82 batch. So this 82 batch, under that I have copied a common folder, and whatever we have covered on day 1, day 2 and day 3 as well, it is over here. And also what the daily notes which we are doing it right in the Excel sheet, that is also available here. I will also copy one of the syllabus as well, the content, what are the topics which we are going to cover, and weekly I will be updating the status as well. So in a day or two max, you will also be added to the WhatsApp group. So this is all about the G drive, and let's get back to the Excel sheet. So this is the financial syllabus which we are going to cover. I will be keep updating the status as we start covering the topics as well. Okay, so these are all, everything is here. I will copy this into 82 folder under the common folder as well, so you can always refer it. Okay. So as we are going to continue for next couple of months, I would be requesting to have your information as well. So this will help me. I will be just taking the skills, experience in education, so that it will be easy for me to track it with your knowledge, and based on the experience and knowledge as well, I'll be citing more of the time the examples. Okay. So let me start with Prashant first. Good morning, Prashant.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning, all.
morning. So can you just let me know your skills, Prashant? You are into what?
Okay. So I have 10 plus years of experience in Oracle Financial in EBS platform. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So currently I'm working on ARAP, uh, FA, expense part, and also I am into costing. Okay. So costing and manufacturing basically.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
And what's your background? Education?
I did my master's.
Masters in big commerce or
No, engineering. Master's in
engineering?
engineering. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. Yeah. So I can go with Subhasri. Good morning, Subhasri.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Yeah, I have 3 years of experience in Oracle EBS, especially in AR and AP and GL.
As a user or as a consultant?
As a consultant, I am working in support projects.
And what's your education background?
Yeah, bachelor's in engineering.
Bachelor's in, sorry?
Engineering.
Okay. Hi, Jitendra. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Can I have your intro, please?
Yeah, yes. So I am having almost 15 plus of years of experience into the pharmaceutical marketing.
Mm.
And I am a BSc
Okay.
graduate with bio.
So do you have anything on the ERP side? Any
No, sir.
basics? No. Okay.
No.
And what made you to get into this ERP, Jitendra?
Actually, one of my brother is into the same field, so he suggested
Okay.
me if you want to switch. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
thank you, sir.
Hi, George. Morning. You're not audible, George. No. Some challenges, I think, at your end. You can just type it over, George. If you have challenge in audio, I will take it up. No issues. Okay, 25 years of experience. Masters in computer science. So you are into financials, George? Your experience is in financials? Okay, SCM and CRM. Okay. Okay, thanks, George. Well, let me move to Mr. Gopinath. Good morning, Gopi. You're not audible, Gopi. I think you're mute. Okay. So good morning, Sachin.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah.
So,
Can you just yes, please, Sachin.
I do have a 13 years of experience in Oracle GD Edwards ERP as a ERP consultant in a finance, AP, GL, and I have completed my engineering Master of Technology MTech in Computer Science.
Okay. Thanks. So Gopi, are you able to speak out? Or if you have challenge, you can just put it on chat. Okay. So it's nice to have different versatile experiences over here.
Morning.
Yeah, morning, Gopi.
I hope all you are doing well. I'm Gopinath. I have techno-functional experience, especially in Oracle EPM. I'm working as senior financial analyst. So I'm also
Your voice is a bit breaking, Gopi.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yeah.
me now? Now are you able to hear? Hello? Hello? Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Gopi, we can hear you.
I think we lost Basha
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Who lost the connection? Hello.
Yeah, Gopi, please wait. Might be Basha Sir lost the connection.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you.
Hello.